Hello everyone, my name is Quinton de Mello and I make videos around automobiles and riding gears. So if you're clicking on this video, I assume that you're a new rider who's going to buy gloves for the first time and you're a bit confused, need some clarity on gloves, or you have gloves but those are worn out and you're looking for a pair of new ones. At the end of this video, the clarity is if you should buy these gloves or not. So let's start with the video. So these are my fifth pair of gloves. I've made videos on my other gloves as well. You can find a link to those in the description. Coming to these gloves, these are Raida's Cruise Pro 2 gloves, and Raida has marketed this as retro design gloves. Coming to the material, it is made up of high flow perforated leather material. On the knuckle, it gets Impactance C certified knuckle protectors here, and on the palm you get foam protection in the palm, and on the thumb there's foam protection. The strap on the wrist help the gloves be in place and have a secure fit. 90% of the glove is perforated for breathability, so there's always wind passing through it while riding. Here you have accordion flex leather for better flexibility while riding, and the fingers, if you notice, is pre-curved, so there's no fatigue while riding. This issue I faced with my older Royal Enfield gloves. My last finger used to hurt a lot while riding for hours because the fingers were not pre-curved, so there's fatigue. Here you can see there's elastic on the wrist for better fit and comfort, and here on the palm you have silicone gel print for better grip on the handlebar while riding. Other features are these two fingers have leather that can be used for smartphones. These are touchscreen compatible. Next, these leather flex have reflective material for safety at night while riding. Next up is this. You have a button here that you can use to store your gloves together while you're not using them, so you don't lose it. Now that I've mentioned all the features of the gloves, let's talk about some of the cons that it has. The first and the major one for me is the material used inside the gloves. Now outside the gloves is quite good, the leather doesn't feel cheap, but the material inside is quite hard and it causes discomfort, especially around the fingers. I don't know why Raida couldn't provide a cloth-like soft material inside, but the material inside is quite hard and this does cause you discomfort, especially when you just buy it and you're getting used to it. Your first few rides, you'll find it discomfort. The second con, what I feel is the fitting. This is a medium fit. I always buy medium gloves. Now here you can see the gloves fit well on all the fingers, palm, but the thumb, there's a slight gap here, which is noticeable, and the thumb is used a lot when you're riding for a horn and when you start the bike. So this finger is a little bit gap, which I think it should be. You have to put it exactly like that, then it becomes a little bit better. The fitting could have been better. And the last con is, even though these gloves are perforated for breathability, these gloves are not ideal for a hot place like Mumbai. If you're from a place like Mumbai where it's hot throughout the year, don't go for leather gloves. Go for gloves that have better breathability, that have mesh around it, because these are not ideal, especially for city riding. You'll definitely feel sweat inside. Now that I've mentioned all the features and the cons of the gloves, now coming to the conclusion. Should you buy these or not? So I would not recommend these gloves for two reasons. Mainly is the material used inside is pretty hard and will cause you discomfort. I don't know why Raida didn't provide a soft material inside. And the second one is if you're from a hot place like Mumbai, don't go for leather gloves. You should go for leather gloves that have better breathability, that have mesh around it more, and for better ventilation. That would be more comfortable for your city rides and long rides as well. But if your preference is just to buy leather gloves, then they should do the job. You can go ahead with it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about these gloves, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. You can subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, ride safe, and always wear riding gears and helmets. Goodbye.